first berry. How's it taste? Yummy? Yeah? Yummy? Yummy. No, that's good. 'Cause when the berries are red, they're good. Yummy? Yay! We got our first berries. Yay! So let's see how many are. These are still small plants. They're still green. So we got little tiny cute little berries are coming in, but they're green. These guys are green. But the bigger one is giving us more. So, we need to water it. We need to water it. So let's see here. We got, this one. That one. Yes, green one, no. We have to wait. This one's half green and half red, so we gotta wait. But she got one. Yeah, we gotta wait till it's more already, honey, okay? So you still gotta wait. She's so excited.
Yes.
The other side's green, so we gotta wait just a little bit. See? So we gotta wait. It's turning. It's turning. Gotta wait just a little more, okay, baby?